This is the video that you need to comment on in order to stand a chance of winning this little Porsche Boxster 986. The moment is finally here. There are a few rules and regulations that need to be adhered to, which will all be explained right now, and I'll be telling you exactly what you need to write to stand a chance of winning. So you'll have to bear with me because I've got my notes here to keep me on track. But the first thing I'm going to be doing is telling you how I'm going to be giving the car away. Then I'm going to get on to the rest of the instructions. And one thing you do need to be doing is following me on Instagram, because on Instagram, I'll be revealing the date and the time of when the winner reveal video is going to go live on YouTube. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that's the only place you'll find out in advance when that video goes live. Now I'm going to be using a random comment picker selector tool, which is available online, to actually pick the winner. The winner will be picked from the comments of this particular video. I have to do it like that basically because I don't know of any tool out there that will allow me to pick a random winner from a list of 100,000 subscribers. I don't think there's a tool out there that can interrogate the list of subscribers and pick a random winner from that. So this is probably the best way of doing it. Somebody who comments on this video will win, and to be honest with you, you stand a better chance of winning from this video because there's going to be a lot less people than 100,000 actually commenting on this video. So you stand a much better chance really. If my last two videos are anything to go by, they've produced a lot less views than normal, so maybe there's not as much interest in this competition as we first thought. Maybe it's YouTube doing something to the algorithms which are preventing this video from being pushed out to so many people, who knows. But ultimately, there's going to be less than 100,000 people commenting on this video, so you do stand a better chance. So to get me through the list of questions and how it'll be given away, I've enlisted the help of my friend Kevin here. How are we doing, Kevin? Weird, but okay. So can you tell me who is actually eligible for this competition? Well, I'm pleased you asked because I've got the answer to that right here. Anybody who comments on this video and has been subscribed on or before the 27th of December 2020. I've done it this way to prevent anybody from setting up more than one account to comment on this particular video. The 27th of December 2020 was when the channel hit 100,000 subscribers. So it seems only fair that those guys get a chance to win the car. But don't worry, I'll be probably be doing the same thing when I hit the 200,000 subscriber milestone. So when the winner is picked, I'll be making sure that they have commented on the video and they also are subscribed, and they were subscribed before the 27th of December 2020. So this is very important. You need to make sure that your channel subscriptions are made public. If I can't see that you're subscribed to this channel, then I can't pick you for the winner, and I'll simply just go on to the next one and pick a different winner. So there's a link in the description below this video on how you can set your channel subscriptions to public. That's exactly what you need to do. Make sure you do that because, as I say, if I can't see that you subscribe to the channel, then I'll pick a different winner. Yeah, what if I live outside the UK? Fair question. Overseas guys and girls are very, very welcome to comment on this video and enter the competition. However, if the winner does live outside the UK, the winner is welcome to have the car shipped to them and to their country, but it is at their expense. However, I will work with the winner in organising the transportation and things like that, but you would need to pay to get the car shipped over to your location. There is another option for overseas winners though. They can request just the money or the value of the car, and if that happens, what I'll do is I'll put this car on eBay for everybody to see so that everybody can see what the final purchase price of the car is, and then of course I'll transfer that money to the overseas winner. What if I live inside the UK? Okay, well, if you live inside the UK, then you are very welcome to come and collect the car. Again though, the same applies where you're also welcome to have the car transported down to yourselves, but that would be at your cost. One thing for me to say though is during the time of making this video, we are in a current kind of travel restriction, unnecessary travel ban. So I wouldn't be able to accept anybody traveling from anywhere in the country to this location to pick up the car if that's what you wanted to do. We would have to wait until that travel ban was over, but there's nothing to stop you from organising your own car transporter to come and pick up the car and get it delivered back to yourself wherever you live in the UK. Now, a few people have commented saying that if they do win the car, what they want me to do is just sell the car and then donate the proceeds to charity. So that is also an option to anybody, whether you're in the UK, rest of the world. If you want the money to go to charity, then we can pick a charity of your choice and we'll make sure the money gets across to those guys. What do I need to write when I comment? Good question. So what I want you to comment, basically the question is, if money was no object at all, Which Porsche car would you go out and buy tomorrow and why? It's as simple as that. That's all I want. So which car would you buy and why if money was no object? Now, it is important for me to say that whatever you write, there's no right or wrong answer. Now, whatever you do write in the comments section, it's not going to increase or decrease your chances of actually winning the car because, like I say, it's going to be a random selector which actually chooses a winner. When will the winner be drawn? I've got my notes here for this one. Now, I don't have a date as yet to when the exact winner video will go live, but I will be letting you know via Instagram, as I mentioned earlier. So make sure you follow me on Instagram because that will give you all the information and tell you exactly when the winner reveal video will go live on YouTube. This video is going live on Saturday, the 6th of February at 4 p.m. That's UK time. So I think you're going to have a week to comment on this video basically. So you need to have commented on this video by the 13th of February, 4 p.m. UK time. Any comments after that won't be included in this particular competition. So the next video that you see on this channel will be the winner reveal video. Guys, I can't wait. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I want to wish you all the best of luck. It's been a real enjoyment and a real passion and a real sort of real nice little hobby of mine making these videos. I don't do it to make money, but you know, money coming in from these videos does of course help, and of course it does allow me to give these cars away. So I will be doing it for a 200,000 subscriber giveaway as well. I'm not entirely sure what, but we'll work that out closer to the time. Thanks for watching. Hit me up on Instagram so you know when the next video is going to go live, and very best of luck. See you soon.